In today's fast moving financial landscape, having access to reliable, real time market data is essential. But even more important is the ability to interpret that data quickly and clearly. That's where Koyfin shines. As a dynamic financial analytics platform, Koyfin gives investors, analysts, portfolio managers, and finance professionals the ability to visualize market trends, analyze companies, and monitor macroeconomic indicators all in one unified interface. Unlike traditional terminals that come with a high price tag and steep learning curve, Koyfin is affordable, modern, and user friendly. It offers institutional quality data and charting tools that are powerful enough for professional use, yet intuitive enough for individuals and growing teams. In this video, we'll walk through Koifin's key features, explain how they benefit your investment process, and help you understand why Koifin is increasingly becoming the go-to analytics platform for finance professionals across the globe. So for its key features and benefits, first is the customizable dashboards. Koyfin allows users to build multiple personalized dashboards tailored to their investment approach. You can create watch lists, add performance widgets, display live macro indicators, integrate new streams, and view portfolio exposure all in one screen. Dashboards can be organized by strategy, asset class, region, or sector. This centralized layout helps users stay organized and always have their most important data front and center, perfect for monitoring portfolio performance or tracking real-time developments across different markets. Another key feature is the powerful charting and visualization tools. Koyfin offers advanced interactive charts that support technical indicators, custom timeframes, fundamental overlays, and multi-security comparisons. Users can plot historical financial metrics against stock price performance or benchmark indices to assess valuation trends and performance attribution. This empowers investors to spot key patterns, divergences, or anomalies in price or fundamentals, making technical and quantitative analysis more intuitive and actionable. Another key feature is the in-depth company financials and peer analysis. Koyfin aggregates comprehensive company data including income statements, balance sheets, cash flow statements, analyst estimates, and detailed valuation metrics. Its peer comparison tool lets you evaluate multiple companies side by side across customizable KPIs and time horizons. This speeds up equity research and due diligence, helping you evaluate investment ideas faster and more thoroughly without jumping between multiple platforms or reports. Another key feature is the global markets and macroeconomic dashboard. Through the markets and macro views, Koyfin provides a global perspective on equities, bonds, commodities, FX, and macro data like inflation, GDP growth, interest rates, and employment. You can even chart macroeconomic data alongside market performance to evaluate trends and policy impact. This offers deeper context for investment decisions and risk assessment, especially useful for macro-driven strategies or international portfolios. Another key feature is the news and earnings integration. Koyfin integrates live financial news from reputable resources alongside economic calendars, earning reports, and analyst revisions. This keeps you informed without having to check multiple apps or websites. Everything you need for a complete picture is in one place, reducing missed signals and decision fatigue. So, why is Koyfin a great choice? Koyfin strikes a rare balance between power and simplicity. It offers the tools typically reserved for Bloomberg and Refinitiv users, but without the high barrier for entry. For investors and teams looking for institutional grade insights without enterprise level pricing, Koyfin is a smart and scalable solution. In 2025, it continues to evolve rapidly with AI-driven data integration, faster charting engines, expanded asset class coverage, and team collaboration features. Whether you're a solo trader, part of a hedge fund, or an advisor managing client portfolios, Koyfin adapts to your workflow with precision. It's also cloud-based and responsive, meaning you can use it on desktops or tablets without downloads or complicated installs. And thanks to a vibrant user community and support team, you're never far from a solution or resource if you need help configuring the platform to your needs. So basically, Koyfin gives financial professionals the ability to analyze markets, track company performance, and interpret global economic signals, all from a streamlined, customizable platform. It replaces cluttered spreadsheets and tab switching with clear visuals, intelligent data, and powerful research tools. So if you're ready to simplify your workflow, improve your market awareness, and make smarter investment decisions in 2025, Koyfin is one of the best tools to add to your research stack. Whether you're analyzing growth stocks, managing an ETF portfolio, or building macroeconomic strategies, Koyfin helps you do it faster and better. So try Koyfin and experience how modern investment research should feel. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.